How to clear money blocks fast. If you're an entrepreneur and you feel that you have money blocks that's stopping you from making money in your business, then you've come to the right place, because more than likely you have money blocks. And if left unchecked, you end up working harder and harder in your business and never getting anywhere, leaving you tired, stressed, and frustrated. In today's video, I'll walk you through some steps on how to clear your money blocks so you can open up the gates of abundance and start making money easily and effortlessly. Hi, I'm Jovelyn, money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist, helping entrepreneurs like you clear your limiting beliefs and master your money mindset so you can create your rich life. In the last video, I talked about what money blocks are and how it can manifest in your life and in your business. So if you missed that one, you can check it out over here. So how do we clear money blocks fast? First and foremost, you need to become aware of them first. Most of us can wander around this earth setting goals about financial wealth, having dreams about creating a life that we want for ourselves and our families. We start businesses and we work freaking hard to make it work. Yet success or money doesn't come in fast enough. If we last, we spend years churning our wheels, wishing and hoping that our business will take off and start making the income that we need to not only survive, but to thrive. Or we end up quitting our dreams, starting a new business in a hopes that this one will make the money that we desire. Yet we come to a complete failure again and again. It's really depressing. More often than not, it's not the environment or the business or the idea or the dream that's failing us. It's our money mindset. And if we don't have a healthy money mindset, no matter what we do or what business we choose to pursue, we end up failing time and time again because we aren't clearing the baggage. We're carrying it with us from business to business to business. And more often than not, it's subconscious. So we take it with us wherever we go. So the key to changing is to clear the money blocks. So what are the steps to clearing your money blocks? Firstly, we must be aware of the money block in the first place. More often than not, these money blocks originated from our experiences, mainly from our childhood. Whatever our carers or our parents fed us, whatever thoughts or negative beliefs that they had, fed into our own subconscious minds, which we carry with us throughout adulthood. If we don't become aware of what they are, then we won't be able to understand ourselves and our self-sabotaging ways, and we won't be able to clear them. Now, there are ways to do this, which I'll talk about in my upcoming videos. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Next, we need to identify the root cause. This is a technique where you work on your past experiences and you identify what you saw and what you heard during your childhood years and identify how this has affected you today, how it's added to your limiting beliefs and your money blocks. Next step is to challenge the negative beliefs and the limitations that you have about money. Work on your subconscious. You need to weed the garden and feed it with positive affirmations and auto-suggestions to clear and remove negative beliefs that you hold about money. Once again, I'll be releasing hypnosis techniques on my website and also in future videos on how you can clear these on a deeper level within your subconscious. So be sure to check it out. Also, we need to work on forgiving whomever and wherever the root cause of the money block came from. This is a powerful technique to rid yourself of the shackles that are holding you back from creating wealth in your life. This could mean forgiving people who have wronged you or even forgiving yourself. Another thing we need to do is to create new and powerful money beliefs and making sure that we reprogram our subconscious mind. So you can start working from a solid foundation, free yourself from any limiting beliefs, and attract money easily into your life. Now, I'll go into more detail about each of these points in my next videos. So if you'd like to be kept up to date of more money mindset tips, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about your limiting beliefs, feel free to comment in the comments below. See you in my next video.